more recorded voices. Okay.
Can I get that number again? Sorry. The
Sure. It's
200
719.
No, the ticket. Sorry.
Oh, you want the case number? Okay, I can give you the case number, sir. It's 2019 T108.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Mr. Kadiana, if there's no questions, sir, thank you for calling in.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Mr. Sanchez, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sanchez, good morning, sir. Mr. Sanchez, this is case 22M269. Do you understand what you're being charged with, sir?
Yes, sir.
This is a sole count of a cigarette burning matter on a highway. That's a petty offense. The statute does call for up to 10 days in jail and a fine not to exceed $300. Do you understand that, sir?
It was my first time hearing about that. But yes, I understand.
Okay. Very good, Mr. Sanchez. Ms. Ford, have you spoken to Mr. Sanchez at all, ma'am?
I did, and I gave him two options on which I thought that the kind of would be expressed by the court. It's a petty offense. I can't do anything lower than that. So I told him that my offer would be just to plead guilty to the petty offense, or option two would be to set up for a court trial. And I let him know that he could announce his election when you called up his case.
Mr. Sanchez, what would you like to do, sir?
Plead guilty.
Okay. Mr. Sanchez, to the original count and the sole count of burning cigarette matter on a highway, a petty offense, how do you plead, sir?
Guilty.
The court accepts your plea of guilty as voluntary, knowing to this sole count of a petty offense charge of cigarette burning on a highway. This gentleman's accepted responsibility. I'd like to suspend a $100 fine. Unless, Ms. Ford, do you have any strong opposition to
No,
that?
Judge, I don't. Thank you for.
Mr. Sanchez, you've called in. I appreciate that. You've also accepted responsibility. I'm not going to impose any kind of a fine. You're just responsible for court costs and fees. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And I will have that total for you in 1 second.
Okay.
$41, sir, is your financial, sorry, 81? 81. $81, your financial responsibility. Again, no fine, just costs and fees. And did you get that phone number by chance that I gave to Mr. Kiriadate? Did you write that down?
I did not. I did not, sir.
Okay, well, can you write it down for me now and I'll give it to you?
Absolutely.
That phone number is area code 719 846 3316 extension 2.
Alrighty. And when I call them, is there any other special number I'm supposed to give to them?
No, sir. No, sir. They'll pull you up by name and it'll be very, very, very quick.
Okay, so I'll just give them my name and they'll know what's going on. Okay.
Thank you, sir. If you have no questions, I appreciate you calling in.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You as well, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
We're still on the record, and I'm going to go ahead and make an official record here of this. Mr. Jamil has called in twice since I've been trying my best to try to not be distracted and deal with a live hearing in court, directly disobeying the order of the court and not being dismayed or changing his behavior by any means with my already contempt of court of 30 days. I'm now finding him in contempt. I'm going to modify this minimus to 60 days. His behavior I've never seen in the 4 years I've been on the bench. To me, it's not only disrespectful to this court, it's disruptive, it's disrespectful to the deputy DA, to the individuals that were set in this hearing today. It's inappropriate with the use of vulgar language, X's placed on people that have been threatened, and there's pending a criminal case for these actions. I'm adding another 30 days. Mr. Jamil is going to be found in contempt, direct contempt of court based upon his egregious actions for now 60 days. And I'm hoping that we can quickly go to recess before he finds himself in contempt any longer. We're going to be in recess. I'm going to close down the WebEx.